Absolutely, absolutely. All right, let's dive in and get started. I'm going to pull up screen share here. And actually, before we do, let's just make sure once again to say hello to everybody. Guys, you know, what we have done as a community in our first 120 days, really, that's what we, you know, if you look at April, May, June, and July, we've completed 4 full months now with the DAISY project, plus an additional 4 days in January and an additional 3 days at the end of March. So just over 4 months now that DAISY has been live, and so proud of what this community has done. So proud of the pacesetter goals and the leaders that have just made this project a reality, and to see the progression that has taken place, and to have a clear roadmap of all of the exciting improvements that are coming to the platform, to communication, to marketing and partnerships, and so many things that are just unfolding and coming together. I personally believe that there has never been a better moment. There's never been a better time for somebody to join and get started with the DAISY project than right now. As a community, I believe we've made it through our toughest challenges, and we're now on the other side of that, the tech challenges, the back office challenges, the reporting challenges, and we've made it through all of that, right? We've made it through some of the biggest, one of the biggest drops in the market that we've ever seen. And we can see that the DAISY AI performance is just exceptional right now. And I hope everyone can celebrate that win right now, that we've made it through some tough times. And now we're on the other side, moving into a whole new level of momentum together. And as Edward says, it's like everything is working for our good. It's just coming into alignment. Even the toughest challenges that we've had have ended up leading to something better, going all the way back to January, when the entire platform was not ready. And we had to take 3 months to re-architecture the platform. It actually led to some of the most important strategic relationships that we have in DAISY as a result of that challenge. So even the challenges in DAISY lead us to bigger things. And this is really a principle in life, that the challenges we face in life, sometimes it's because of what we've asked for. When you ask for something big, you can expect big challenges. When you dream big, when you think big, when you do what has never been done before, you naturally are going to have to overcome a higher set of challenges to achieve those higher results, those higher rewards. And so as a community, we've done that over the last 4 months. And I'm so proud of this team of leaders around the world that's here today. And we're going to dive right in now and share some great updates and information with everybody. So let me pull my screen share up here. And let's start today just with reviewing some of the achievements that we've had together as a community in these first 120 days. And then we're going to turn this call over to Dr. Anna Becker, the founder and the CEO of EndoTech, and really excited to hear from her today as well. So in the first 120 days, over 148,000 members have joined DAISY. I mean, just wrap your mind around that. But that is a record in the peer-to-peer industry. There's never been a project that has achieved this type of momentum this fast. And guys, I can truly say we're just getting started. We're just in the very beginning phases of the DAISY project. And already look at what you guys have done. Over 170 million USDT in contributions has come through the DAISY platform. Over 100 million USDT is currently in the live trading account. And that's after around 10 million in withdrawals have been initiated and paid out as well. So what an incredible achievement already in the first 4 months. We've seen as high as 60% profits in that trading account as recently as this week. So it's exciting to see, you know, the AI doing what it's meant to do. Of course, Dr. Anna will talk more about that today. Over 85 million USDT has been paid out in rewards. Now, guys, this is just incredible. I mean, that's an average of 20 million USDT a month that has paid out to the community through the smart contracts. 85 million in the first 4 months through the DAISY platform. Guys, this is absolutely incredible. That's a real impact in so many people's lives. And again, we're just getting started. The DAISY token and the DCO platform was announced. Of course, over 175 million tokens were bought during the July pre-sale. Over 20 million USDT also paid out in rewards from the token sale. And we have just established some powerful strategic partnerships, both strategic partnerships that are coming on board and teaming up with the vision of EndoTech, strategic partnerships that are coming on board and teaming up with the vision of the Daisy DCO platform, strategic partnerships to help take the communication of Daisy and the marketing of Daisy to the next level. So many strategic alignments have taken place that we'll be announcing in the near future. All we can say today is that the last 120 days is just the beginning, and we are absolutely on our way to the next level as a project. I want to go ahead and we're going to turn the screen share off, and we're going to talk about the next 120 days. We're going to talk about the bonus pools. We're going to talk about August announcements, but high five to every single member of this community who participated in these last 4 months, who continued to believe in the vision of Daisy, stand with Daisy through our growth experience. Now we are in position to really go to that next level. We're really in position right now as a community. There's never been a better time for someone to participate in Daisy as a new member. There's never been a better time for existing members to continue to go upgrade to their next tier and unlock the next tier. And there's never been a better time for all of us as a community to reach the world with the message of Daisy, to build your Daisy business, your referral network, and really achieve your financial goals in 2021. There's never been a better moment than right now. As one of my friends, Rabu, says, is Daisy is the I told you so opportunity. And when we've seen a lot of projects fail, a lot of projects hit challenges and disappear, and everything ends up not being real, Daisy has only become stronger, has only become more real than ever. And we are positioned right now for the biggest growth of momentum that we've ever had. And of course, guys, this is due to the vision that Dr. Anna Becker had for the very first project of Daisy, and that's the Daisy AI platform. I'll never forget the early conversations that we had summer of last year, along with Edward and Ilya and Dr. Anna, about EndoTech's vision to become a publicly traded company, to disrupt the financial technology world, to disrupt the AI mechanisms and the AI, the depth of AI in the financial world. And that project was Daisy. And the opportunity for all of us to crowdfund that development of Daisy AI, the opportunity for all of us to benefit from the performance and the rewards that are being created through the algorithms and the technology of EndoTech's trading platform is incredible. The ability for all of us to have stock equity in this company, in EndoTech. And in the next few months, we'll be bringing some really exciting updates and announcements about that. But just know that owning shares of stock in EndoTech, which every member of Daisy has equity in EndoTech, is one of the biggest rewards that you get by being a part of the Daisy project. And we know that the public listing of EndoTech is going to be one of the biggest unicorn stories in the fintech world. So we get to be a part of that. So Dr. Anna, thank you for your vision. Thank you for honestly your commitment to not moving to the left or moving to the right, but staying the course. When all of us who don't understand trading like you do, well, how come the numbers are down? How come percentages are this? How come this? And we all think we're experts. I think I'm an expert half the time too. And that I'm smarter than the AI is. And in the end of the day, you stayed your course, you trusted the algorithms, you know what you've created. And now we're seeing the fruit of that. Now we're seeing, okay, this is what long-term stability is all about. Yes, we have ups. Yes, we have downs. But in the end, we see the gains. In the end, we see the improvements compounding over time. And this is a long-term strategy that you put together with your AI. So thank you for staying the course. Thank you for not letting us move you in any way away from the vision that you created and the algorithms you've created. And we're all excited about what we're seeing right now with the EndoTech performance.
Yes, thank you, Jeremy, and thank you, everyone, because, again, you enabled us to move to the next phase, to the next level. And as Jeremy said, we're very excited about our next steps. We're working heavily, not only on Daisy project, as AI project, but the general new level of the company that EndoTech becoming. And to answer all your questions, what I'm trying to do right now is we're thinking about the videos. In each video, you see that there is some fun element that everybody can understand. There is some level of understanding for beginners, and then lots of terminology for the advanced quants and model developers. So all the questions that I hear, I later think about when to answer and how to answer, and I try to do that through the videos. So hopefully today, Jeremy will be able to show you our newest one. I hope that it is the most fun video that we did It's a less terminology, and I promise you that the next one will be heavy, really heavy again on the terms, but this one will be a little bit fun. Indeed, we had a very hard period with the market. It was not a long one, but it was painful for every participant, and I know that. And I know that both internally and externally, it reached the level when people started to ask us to trade manually because everybody had opinion, and it was very important not to do so. Just to understand why I'm constantly smiling is because for myself and for the team and for yourself, I decided that our main goal is to support investments where we keep the exposure and the profits of the moves and we reduce the risks. And the last move was 60% risk. And yes, we did not reach our ideal level of 30%, but we are way below 60 in our drawdown for the move. So from this point of view, we reached our objective. We are back, and as you can see in both Bitcoin, we caught the perfect move. We stopped at 38, we started at 37, we caught the move with Bitcoin, we caught and doubled the exposure to the Ethereum. We're right on time, right on space, so you can see lots of percentage taken by the last move. So we're happy with that this period of sideways market came to its end, and we're back to the trending market where we can show the numbers and the results. And this is just the beginning. And in this video that I would like Jeremy to show us, before I would like to make the announcement that I was requested to do by our CEO. We are ready for the next level of withdrawals. We are ready to enable withdrawals of $20. Before it was $50, and also the withdrawals of the profit to the community. So the payouts to the contributors will start also from, Edward, please correct me if I'm wrong, from today. And we will see again the power of the idea of the DAISY, where everything is done through the smart contract, everything is transparent, and you just see the profit from the original investment. Again, it's not a profit, it's contribution payout, the correct wordage, very important, within the messaging, but you will see the power of what's happening when the market and the trading is done right. So if it's possible, Jeremy, can you show the video? And if you need any other questions, I will be glad to answer.
Yes, the video is finishing the download now. So let's, unless one of the partners, unless somebody has it downloaded already. So we're waiting on that. But while we're doing that, Dr. Anna, let me just reiterate your announcement. The $20 minimum withdrawal is now going live. And this is big because a lot of people have asked about this. You know, for folks that are maybe tier 1 members or tier 2 members with lower contribution amounts of 100 USDT, for example, the $50 minimum is a bigger benchmark. And there's a lot of folks that have smaller rewards that they want to withdraw. They want to experience that and say, okay, it's real, it's working. And this is big. And so thank you to you and your team for, I know, the last 8 weeks, really rebuilding the architecture of the withdrawal platform to make sure that we're ready to grow, we're ready to scale, and now ready to release withdrawals with a 20 USDT threshold. So if you have at least 20 USDT in profits in the trading platform, then you can now request those withdrawals. Additionally, and boy, Edward, you ought to jump in on this a little bit because I don't think we talk about this enough, but one of the biggest components to the DAISY rewards plan is the residual income that comes from the rewards of the trading platform. And this is massive because the way the platform is designed is 6 months after a person joins and their funds enter into the liquidity account for trading, 6 months later, an automatic payout takes place. So there's a 30% performance fee, 15% that goes to EndoTech and to DAISY, and then another 15% that goes into the rewards plan as residual income. This is so powerful. And so you can see this whenever somebody requests their withdrawal, you'll see your unilevel payout. You'll see the Paysetter gold bonus pools go up. You'll see the Paysetter leadership pools go up because every time somebody requests a withdrawal, that 15% pays out automatically into the rewards plan. But for those members and most members who are not withdrawing their results, they're compounding their rewards. Those funds stay in the live trading. But every 6 months, that 15% will automatically pay out into the rewards plan, into the residual plan. So what that means, like, for example, if you have people joining every month, 6 months in, you're going to have a monthly residual, a monthly payout coming every single month from those members who joined 6 months prior. And this is extraordinary. This is huge. This is an opportunity to build an ongoing, consistent residual income by building a network of contributors. And we've got to really talk about this in our business model, because it's one of the most disruptive and unique components to the Daisy platform, that literally you can earn unlimited residual income from the AI algorithms profit rewards that are generated from everyone in your network that you've referred. So Edward, Ilya, this is a massive, massive opportunity to build. You guys have talked about this a lot. So why don't you guys jump in and talk a little bit more about the power of that residual too?
Sure. Jeremy, actually the video is ready, just so you know. I just checked, it's ready. The residual is actually has the rewards. It has more potential to bring more money in at the end. It will bring more money than your front end money that you earned, because with compounding, with a year later in, you still have all those profits coming in, and every month somebody withdraws, or 6 months pass, and there's going to be, at the end, when people start pulling the money out, your team that you brought, you will really benefit from it. And you'll see, instead of us talking, the time will show. You have no choice. You're in it. Time will come, and you will experience, and you're going to say, that's what they were talking about. It will happen. So I have 100% strong confidence in EndoTech team and Dr. Anna Becker. So I've seen their track record. I've been involved for some time. So that's, for me, that's the whole idea. This is why we that's why she's creating this new AI to make it even more better. So anyway, Ilya, do you want to?
Yeah, of course. Yes, I agree 100%, because smart contract is just a tool. So remember, guys, when we started, many people see us as a smart contract company or smart contract project, right? Which is not true, because the whole idea was behind this residual income, right, Jeremy? When we started to build architecture of the whole project, right? The whole idea was this uni-level residual payouts that's going to be rolling up and up. More and more income is going to come for those who build this network of contributions. And this is very powerful. So it takes time. It doesn't happen in 1 day or 1 month, but after 6 months, after 1 year, actually starting from this month, right, we will start to see what happens. So we're all looking forward to see.
Yeah, absolutely. And talking about withdrawals, Dr. Anna talked about withdrawals. Jeremy, maybe we should also, did you already announce? I was kind of missed, but the withdrawals is not going to be at the $20 level. That every 6 months is going to be from 50, but you have ability to withdraw anytime when you're above $20. So that's the difference.
Yeah, so you can personally, if your trading rewards exceeds 20 USDT, you can request the withdrawal at any time. And then on the automatic payouts every 6 months, the automatic payout will have a threshold of 50 USDT for the automatic payout. So that's also, okay, we have the video ready. So Edward, do you have that?
Sure, I can.
Whoever wants to screen share and play it, make sure when you screen share that you click on the little button there that says optimize for video.
Okay, let me figure this out. Maybe Ilya, it's better to do it for you.
I could do this if I downloaded this on my computer on my side.
Oh, I downloaded on my phone, so that's why I said it works. Here, give me 1 second. You can keep talking, Jeremy, so until I get to it.
Okay, good. We'll come back to that. So
actually, Jeremy, I would like to add just a few words of our excitement, and it comes primarily from the fact that now we are moving to the next phase of the company, and we're seeing that what we did over the last few years is really unreachable from the technological point of view and the vision point of view. To be able to serve thousands of clients, thousands of contributors with algorithmic trading in real time, to show the results, to be able to withdraw, everything is in real time. It's really unprecedented from every level. And we being torn by investors and partners that asking us to go to the more institutional road, not to allow the retail investors to use this type of technology, and we're standing our ground and we're saying, no, this is what we envisioned from the beginning, and that's where we're going. But from the scalability point of view, from the quality point of view, from a real-time sense of what is able, this is the first project and the first technology that enabled it, and we're very proud of the results. So for me, it's additional element that maybe nobody thinks about this, of what we were able to achieve from serving that many clients, from serving so many contributors, that large funds, and with this level of quality. So it's really No company around us is able to do anything similar like that for algorithmic trading.
That's a big factor. Like there is no company in the world have ever done without many distributors. If you've seen something with many distributors that they don't exist today, that because that was fake. That's why they were able to show you fake numbers. What Dr. Anna talking about, having a real trading accounts, real money reporting and withdrawing and everything, it's unheard of it. It's a very complicated system to calculate and everything to do it. The video is ready. I can try to share it.
You bet.
Right, Jim? Is that okay right now?
Let's give it a try.
Let's do it.
Let me click share my screen. Am I sharing my screen?
Yep.
Okay, that means I should be able to do it. Hold on, I need to. Jeremy, you told. Okay.
Make it a full screen, Edward.
Hello, everyone. Today we will be discussing two of the most frequently asked questions that we encounter as model developers. And I would even almost call them obligatory questions. Both of them get extremely emotionally charged responses from all parties involved, with typically both questions asked toward the end of the meeting. Let's start with question number one. What would happen if everyone started to use your trading strategy? I don't remember the first time when I was asked this question, but I do remember this question in one of the meetings that changed my destiny and brought me clearly to where I am today. At that time, I was meeting the lead investor of my first company, Strategy Runner. It was a fourth meeting on that day and probably one of at least 150 that I attended during that specific time period. To say the least, I was exhausted. And I was tremendously bothered by the lack of understanding shown and why the same smart investors were not running and jumping after such a great and clear opportunity for investment in the ex-Tecton computer science PhD team of developers with all the experience in the right top companies. The only plausible reason was that it was the year 2000 and the investment doors were literally closing on startup one after another in the post-internet bubble burst. So on that day, at the fourth meeting, the guy that sat in front of me was a chess player, my cup of tea. The meeting room was decorated by jeans elegantly placed on the wall. We were at the Lee Cooper main offices. The guy listened very attentively and was clearly taken in by the idea and the team. Next to him sat a young guy, tech guy, long hair with a poor choice of t-shirt that only true geeks can wear. Irritatingly, he kept asking questions to the point where he tired me out and got on my nerves. He was ruining it for me. But then he asked the question: what would happen if everyone joins your system? Trading is a zero-sum game. The market will crash, won't it? And I snapped back. Why do you ask this philosophical question? Perhaps it will be better to ask business-based ones. Some context for you all now. I was 26. I am not too proud of the person that I was back then. Poor meeting room manners. Back then, I had to be proud of myself for about 10 more minutes until we finished the meeting and I finally left the room. This was because the person who brought me in mentioned that the young guy was my investor. And for the other one that sat at the CEO table, he was years older brother who had helped organize the entire process. Year who, I hear you wonder? The ICQ guy. Now you're telling me? Apparently, the ICQ guy, being Gary Goldfinger and being only 2 years older than me, also liked the idea and eventually invested in the company. Now, as I explained, I was young and proud of myself to call the question philosophical. By doing so, I basically dismissed it on sight, naming it irrelevant, which is far from the truth. For a beginner that has never experienced the full process of building a successful model and making money with it, such a question is similar to: what will you do if you become the most loved and adored rock star in the world, where everyone will want to buy your record? What would you do with all the money and fame? Most would answer with, let's get there first, right? But I started to trade with my models. I've got to know many other developers and companies that had successful model of their own. Apparently, it was a very real and important question. It took a bit of a different spin. Instead of asking what will happen if everybody wants to join the model, the true question is, what will happen to the performance of your model if it manages 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 2 to 500 million, then billions?
The different models have different performance curves. They depend on the market liquidity and the type of orders used, along with the frequency of trading, and of course, the win-loss ratio, trading commissions, spread, slippage, and more. Obviously, I don't want to bore you with all the full detailed analysis, breakdown of every model, and their identifying factors. Instead, I want to explain you the logic behind them, and this logic is written in the simplest form, being that every trade has a price defined by the model for each buy and sell signal to be executed. So if the model signals to buy at 100 and sell at 110, but when the system actually sends and executes the signal, instead they are filled at the prices 101 and 109, and instead of 10 points profit, you'll only get 8 points. While that may seem insignificant in this scenario, since your system still got some profit, the real and often ignored core issue is that when it comes to losing signals and positions, instead of dropping just 1 or 2 points, you actually suffer bigger losses every time. Have a look with me now at the following example. If we have 5 winning trades, 12 losing trades, our profit and loss formula for the system will be number of winning trades multiply profit for each trade minus losing trades multiply loss of each losing trade. So our model is expected to have 26 points. In reality, the system will lose money. It will lose 8 points based on the fact that 5 winning trades will bring only 8 points each, and 12 losing trades will lose 4 points each. So to summarize with you and to simplify the lesson, anyone and everyone can manage $10,000 and make some money. But very few systems are able to manage hundreds of millions in trading systems without losing the performance or worse, the funds. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I do hope to see you back here next week for part 2, as we delve deeper into questions of capacity. And our second question, if your system is so good, why would you share it with me and not trade only for yourself? Bye for now, and see you next time.
Awesome video, and we'll be publishing and releasing that video today as well in the Telegram channels, so you can see it in full quality. But I love it. I mean, what a incredible guys. If you understand what Dr. Dan was saying, it's that the system they've developed is very unique because it can manage large amounts of funds and maintain those profit margins. And this is why EndoTech has gotten the attention of the financial industry, right? This is why they've gotten the attention of the institutional world that's out there. And this is why when EndoTech goes public, and really, guys, we just have to thank timing and karma for the opportunity that we as a community get to be in the position that we are. Because had 6 months time gone by, quite frankly, that opportunity may have been given to the institutions. And because of the timing and the vision that we had as a community, the vision that Dr. Anna had for the retail world, we're able to be a part of this. But understand, EndoTech is positioned to be the #1 AI backbone software development company in the fintech world. And when EndoTech goes public and all of you as stockholders own shares in this company, it's going to be one of the most exciting stories. And of course, the rewards that are coming long term. And the last thing I want to say, and Dr. Anna, I'll throw it to you for closing thoughts, but guys, this has always been about long term, always. We have never, ever tried to manipulate people with the message of instant gratification, because we understand that it's important to always be transparent and always create proper expectations. And we have always said that profits and losses are part of it. Over time, the wins become very significant, very big. But in the short term, there's going to be ups, there's going to be downs. And in the journey, there's going to be ups and there's going to be downs. This platform is designed for long-term success. And the smartest thing any one of you can do is allow your liquidity to grow, to compound, to let it run its course for 2 years. And you're going to be a hero to you and your family. You're going to be a hero for being the person who said, I see the vision of Daisy. I put my money into Daisy in 2021. And guys, in the next 2 years, you're going to be heroes to your family. What happens long term is going to be beyond what we can even put into words. So the short-term results are very unimportant. That's going to happen. You're going to have wins, you're going to have losses. It's the long-term result that really is what matters. And this is what we have with EndoTech. So Dr. Anna, I'll throw it back to you for closing thoughts, but thank you for that video.
Thank you too, Jeremy. I hope you enjoyed it. And I would like actually to close with, first of all, always risk capital. We all believe in the bright future, but only to use it with and invest in your risk capital, not with your lost money. This is the first one. And second is we're very thankful to the community for this, enabling us to jump to the next level We are doing, incredibly interesting things in AI, in Forex, in commodities. We're working hard right now to create a scalable system for Forex, so we will be able to start accepting the money for the Forex side. And we're working hard on the business side of the next move, and we will be able to announce it within the next few months. So I don't want to jump before the news. Let's wait for there. So next week, it will be continuation of this video, and we will touch on more details, on more scientific side of the story, and also details of the trading and the second question. So please check this video next week as well.
And we're looking forward to seeing you in September at the Pacesetter Leadership event in Dubai. Guys, if you're not a Pacesetter Gold yet, you want to achieve that by the end of August, because you do not want to miss this event. This event in Dubai, the announcements that we're going to be making, the experience that we're going to be having together, the relationships that are going to be built amongst the leaders in the community. We're calling it the official launch of Daisy. We feel like Daisy actually begins at the end of September at this launch event. It's the first time that all of us as leaders will be together to plan and prepare and create the future of Daisy. So we're looking forward to seeing you there. And thank you again, Dr. Anna, for your time today.
Yeah, thank you, everybody. Please continue. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Anna.
All right, so let's continue through the information. I know a lot of you have been waiting for the bonus pool update. So here they are, the spillover maker pool that ran in May and June. A total of 8,425 shares were earned, and a total of 2,373 Daisy tokens per share. So congratulations to every one of you who earned a share in the spillover maker pool in the month of, by the end of June 30th. The second spillover maker pool, which ran from July 1st to July 31st, it has 2,480 shares earned, and that's a total of 4,032 Daisy tokens per share. So again, congratulations to everyone who earned a share or multiple shares in both of these, either or both of these bonus pools. The 1% bonus pool, which also ended on June 30th, a total of 3,038 shares were earned. That's a total of 135 USDT per share. And that bonus pool will be live this week, where you can collect your rewards. For those of you who qualified for the 1% bonus pool, you'll be able to withdraw those rewards from your back office this week. And congratulations to all of you. The Pacesetter Gold pool, that report is still being generated because we had some qualifications for the original Pacesetters that were qualified. And so we will be publishing those numbers for the Pacesetter Gold report this week. The Pacesetter Leadership pool, a total of 89 shares were earned. That's 112,359 tokens per share. And just huge congratulations and really a huge thank you to all of the Pacesetter leaders out there. You are the backbone of the foundation, the future of Daisy. Some of the strongest leaders that I've ever had the opportunity to work with are a part of the Pacesetter leadership team. What I love about the Pacesetter leadership rank is that you can achieve this at any time. There's no time limit for this. You simply help 3 people become Pacesetter Golds. 3 of your personal referrals become Pacesetter Gold, and you become a Pacesetter leader. And truly, the Pacesetter leaders are the foundation of the Daisy movement. Now, over the next 120 days, here's some of the things that we are focused on. Number 1 is reaching 500,000 Daisy members. And so over the next 120 days, we're going to see a massive wave of momentum taking place in the Daisy community. Everyone is talking about Daisy. The buzz is out. The word is out. Leaders are coming from every direction right now wanting to join Daisy. There's never been a better time for us to go out and really take momentum to the next level. So 500,000 Daisy members. And also in the next 120 days, reaching 500 million USDT in total contributions. And that puts us about 50% of the total achievement of this phase 1 with EndoTech. Also, in the next 120 days, our goal is to see 250 million USDT paid out in the rewards plan through the smart contract to reach record trading results from Daisy AI. We personally believe that we're going to see some very major moves in the market over the months to come, and Daisy AI is ready to take advantage of those moves and see some tremendous profits created. We're also in the next 120 days going to be announcing EndoTech's stock valuation as well as the official audits and the public roadmap for the company going public, for the stocks going public. So stay tuned for some really big news coming for EndoTech. Also expanding the Daisy token DCO platform and the market value for the Daisy token. So we have an entire team. You're going to be hearing from one of the founders of the DCO platform, Yuri, today. And we have an entire team whose focus is simply on building out the DCO platform and the market value of the Daisy token on the open public exchanges. Of course, we have the Pacesetter event in Dubai, September 23rd through the 26th. You have until August, the end of August, August 31st, to qualify as a Pacesetter Gold. And if you qualify by the end of August, you will be invited to join us at this event. And then we will be also announcing in the next 120 days, actually we'll be announcing it in Dubai, after Dubai, the very first Daisy Global event. And this will be an event where thousands and thousands of people from around the world will come together. And we promise you it'll be the best event that this industry has ever seen. So we have a lot happening in the next 120 days. Of course, this month, the 20 USDT minimum withdrawal goes live. The 6-month auto residual payout goes live. We're preparing for the Pacesetter event at the end of September in Dubai. And then on the 16th of August, the Daisy token will go live. The public pre-sale with the different IDO platforms, as well as Uniswap and the other exchanges. All of that is happening in the month of August. And so right now, I want to introduce one of the co-founders of the DCO platform, who is really leading the public partnerships and the expansion of that project. Yuri, thanks for joining us. And we're going to turn it over to you to give us some great updates about the DCO platform.
Yeah, so Daisy DCO platform, the main thing is cross-chain DCO platform. So we will support a lot of blockchains like Solana, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon network. And for now, we are working to integrate and to make a partnership with all of these blockchains. Like I think in the next few weeks, we will introduce our partnership with Solana blockchain and Polygon blockchain. So we will onboard a lot of new users to our platform. It's for now, it's not only be the Daisy community. Now it will be something bigger than Daisy community. We will onboard Polygon community and Solana community to our like a big family. They also will use our system to run new projects. So you already know that we signed the partnership with A2DAO platform. Tomorrow we also will have a new partnership. It's already confirmed, and we will get a new partnership with one more DCO platform. I think till the end of this month, we will sign partnership and integrate something like from 5 to 6 DCO IDO platforms into our system, and we will bring more new great project into Daisy DCO platform. I think Jeremy will help us to introduce all of that project to community. The main thing for us for now, we are preparing great launch in the middle of August. It's 16th of August. We will run the IDOs. We will use from 3 to 5 IDO platforms to run the IDO. The price for public round on IDOs will be $5 USDT for our token. And at the same day, we will start trading at Uniswap. So it will be a great day for our community. We will provide DCO and IDO on the platforms and start trading in the same day. So be prepared for this. Also, we are preparing staking system, and you will have access to 5 different staking systems inside our platform. Also, we will use outstanding systems to provide farming and staking for Daisy token. So you can earn rewards, you can not only sell tokens, you can stake and farm, get more rewards using the Daisy token. So all this system will be available in the middle of August. By the end, our technical team working hard. So by the end of this month, we will have MVP of our system, and I think in the next month it will be great launch of our product. And we already have a project to run the DCO. Jeremy will introduce all of this project to our community. From my side, from technical side, we will integrate blockchains, and we will emit tokens in all blockchains to integrate different type of exchanges. So the main thing for our community, we will provide a lot of liquidity on top exchanges to support our community and to onboard new big traders to Daisy token. So we will use big platforms, big decentralized platforms like Uniswap on Ethereum network, PancakeSwap on BSC network, QuickSwap on Polygon network, and we will use Serum on Solana network. It's decentralized exchanges on all blockchains, you know. So for also we will have centralized exchanges till for the traders, and we will integrate our token to all that exchanges step by step. So till the end of the August, you will have from 4 to 5 centralized exchanges, and you can trade our token on that exchanges. And the main thing you should know, you can use all tokens in all blockchains, all Daisy tokens and all logic on all blockchains to send these tokens to all centralized exchanges. So it will be fully integrated in all blockchain ecosystem.
I love it. That's incredible. And we've also made a big decision to continue to use Tron blockchain for our community, where members will be able to receive the Daisy token in the same Tron wallet that you have now. So you'll be able to have the Daisy token available in your Tron wallet also, and have access to Just Swap as another decentralized swap as well. So this is great news for the community too, so that you can receive your Daisy token without necessarily having to learn other systems and other platforms, and it will make it easy for everybody as well.
So that was Jeremy's idea about Tron, because Jeremy wants to provide a low fees to the community. We are asking Jeremy about more we asked him to make a bigger hype on all other platforms, but Jeremy asked us about the small fees to community. It's his decision about smaller fees. Okay, so you will have access to Tron, but using our bridge between all blockchains, you can send your tokens between all of existing blockchains, use exchange you want. So you can make a deposit in any exchange using any token. This is what we want to bring to our community. It's an easy to use system. So we also will provide, like DCO platform, we will bring more a lot of new projects, and all of that projects, it's unique value of our platform. All of the projects can raise money and can emit tokens in any blockchain they want. So it's like multifunctional platform for our participants. I think it's great value for our platform. Nobody uses the same type of system, because existing IDO platforms, they propose token emission or raising money only in one blockchain. For us, we will emit tokens and provide IDOs in all blockchains. So this is I think, one of the biggest value.
I love it. And Yuri, for the members that have participated in the pre-sale, who have purchased the Daisy tokens, we will be releasing 5% over the first 90 days each day for them to be able to withdraw if they choose to. When will that begin? So when can people expect to start to receive their first unlock of those tokens?
We already after IDO on platforms like A2DAO, and after we list our token on Uniswap and Just Swap, our users can withdraw tokens and start trading on that exchanges. So our users will get instant access to their tokens.
Awesome. So you guys can expect we will have step-by-step updates. The team will be producing a video. It's going to be a very simple process to be able to claim your tokens as they're released, and the tokens that you've purchased that will begin to be invested around the same time that we go live on the Uniswap exchange and with the public pre-sale.
Yes, 1 week before the main sale, we'll start posting a video about how to claim your tokens, how to stake your tokens, how to farm new tokens using Daisy tokens, how to participate in new DCOs, why you should not selling tokens, because to participate in DCOs, you should have Daisy tokens. So this is the main thing. Yes, it's not just about selling tokens. Yes, so we will announce all of these features, and we will make videos to help our community make a good decision about what they should do with their Daisy tokens, how to make more money using them.
Awesome. Well, Yuri, thank you guys for all the work you're doing and for being here with us today.
Thank you.
Awesome. So guys, we're excited. I'll repeat this statement, but there's never been a better time, ever been a better time for someone to join Daisy than right now. It's really with the positioning that we have right now in the market and the early momentum phase that we're in right now. The biggest wave of growth is ahead of us. We're on an uptrend right now in our project, and this is really the entry point. This is where you want to enter into that wave of momentum. There's people all over the world who wondered, is Daisy real? Is it gonna last? Is it gonna deliver on its promises? And guys, we've done that. We've proven to the world. This is the I told you so project, and we are now in a stronger position than we've ever been in, with a bigger future than we've ever seen. And this is the moment. This is the moment to really take your Daisy business to the next level. So hopefully everyone appreciated the updates today, got some great information today on the details. This is your upline leaders, your Pacesetter leaders, your Pacesetter Golds will be doing a lot of webinars in the days and the weeks ahead. So make sure that you're plugging into those live presentations. We're also going to be announcing a global webinar that will happen around August the 20th. And this we'll have some very, very exciting things on that, but this is going to be a presentation webinar as well. We're going to do a full presentation so that people from around the world can join us. It'll be in multiple different languages. So we're definitely taking things to the next level right now when it comes to momentum. So there never has been a better time than right now for people to join Daisy, and it's definitely time for us to go take that message to the world. So Edward, Ilya, I'll throw it over to you guys for any closing thoughts today.
Jeremy, one more thing, maybe. Of course, we mentioned a few times in the chats and communication channels that we have some issue with a Tron link. So some members are not able to log into iPhone, log into Daisy app through their iPhones. So this will be fixed with the next update of Tron link, which will happen in about a couple of weeks from now. Meanwhile, our tech team is doing all they can to temporarily fix this issue within probably a couple of days. So those people who use iPhones, you can either mirror your wallets to another application or just wait a few more days and this should be fixed. So nobody will have issues with checking their balances, seeing their results, seeing their commissions, and getting the referral link if you want to refer anybody into the system.
Yeah, this was a Tron Link app update that happened a few days ago that caused the Tron Link to not work properly on some iPhones. So as Ilya said, the immediate solution is very simple. You just import your wallet to either another app like Token Pocket or Clever app, and it will work perfectly. Or you can import your TronLink wallet to the TronLink Chrome extension, and you can use your computer to access the back office, and it will work perfectly. So this is affecting certain iPhone versions, certain iPhone users. The immediate fix is you can import your wallet to another app or the TronLink Chrome extension, or simply wait the next couple of days while that issue is being fixed. So yeah, thanks for reminding us of that, Ilya.
Yeah, no worries. And I think this is it from my side. It was, very nice call today. So we heard this nice video from Dr. And I think the vision in EndoTech became only stronger for everybody after this video, after we see nice performance happening on EndoTech site in the last few days, right? And we have a very bright future. Like you, Jeremy, say that we actually just getting started on that Dubai event, right? So we're just getting started. Daisy will get started. We have already quite strong foundation, but we are just getting started. So this is probably our message for the next few weeks of Daisy.
Yes.
Right. So in Dubai, we have a lot of exciting announcements, and this video that Anna we played is going to be posted also, so people look for that video. I like what she said about one thing when she mentioned anyone can trade 10,000, right? But to give 100 million, it's a very different picture. I mean, I can relate with this so much. I mean, I can easily trade $1 million account, but give me $100 million, I'll be still trading with $1 million. I will not touch the 99 because it's going to be a mess. That is a very big statement that she made. It's a really, really big statement. Just like people who know, they will understand what I mean, right? One thing, just a really quick before we close, I wanted to mention. Yesterday, I was in a call with Ilya and another guy. I'm not going to name who that person or what. This person has a very big presence in China in a crypto world, and just talking this company that we were talking about, we're going to be working with them as on a token site. And this person had so much respect for Yuri. That way he started talking everything. He was talking about Yuri, and the reason I'm bringing up, I just wanted to I had a great experience working with Yuri and Alex, but hearing from people who has a very big presence in the crypto world in the China, that like the whole anyone in China, they know this person and he knows them when it comes to crypto. And so much respect to Yuri. Yuri, thank you for doing a great job. And that would be it for me for today.
Awesome. All right, guys. Well, let's rock and roll. We've got a great opportunity in our hands. Let's seize this moment. Let's put a lot of focus right now on the foundation of Daisy, which is Daisy AI, which is the EndoTech platform, which is the front door to our community. Be ready as we make big announcements for the upcoming DCO projects, and we'll give everyone plenty of time to be prepared and to know what's happening with those projects. But right now, guys, it's go time. There's never been a better time to tell someone about Daisy. There's never been a better time to send someone the videos, to follow up with people, let them see what's happening in the Daisy community, in the Daisy trading right now. And let's onboard a lot of new members in the month of August. And let's start our run now to reaching that mark of 500 million members. I'm sorry, 500,000 members over the next 500 million in
No problem with that too.
500,000 members around the world over the next 120 days. There's no doubt in my mind that we will close out this year with those numbers, and that momentum starts right now. Now is the time to go out and take your Daisy business to the next level. Now is the best time for anyone to get involved with Daisy, to experience the upside of everything that is coming, to get their stock equity in EndoTech, to have funds in the liquidity funds in the live trading account, and to participate in this peer-to-peer rewards plan. We have the answer. We have what the world is looking for. Daisy is a one-of-a-kind opportunity, nothing like it in the world. It's the most real, the most transparent of its kind. And we are truly, truly just getting started. So thank you, everyone, for tuning in today. Thanks again to Dr. Anna and Yuri for being guests on the call today. And we look forward to seeing many of you at the end of September in Dubai. And we look forward to creating some great success in the days, weeks, and months ahead.